Okay, we are back. So forget about that. So let me do a push. Let me do a push. I come here. Okay, my commits, sync changes. Let us see if it is going to work, but I'm very sure issues are here because I've not done any. Okay, so it is going to be triggered upon deploy latest. You're supposed to have a different commit here. I think ijaenda, ijamaliza. Okay, it is done. Let us see. Actually, that workflow should run. Let me just take you there. That workflow should run. How do you know that that workflow is running? You're going to see a yellow something, this orange or what? Let me see. I have a poor connection there. I don't know if it is my browser or what, but forgive me for that. So how do you know that these workflows are running? As you can see, I told you the orange something. When you hover, it is saying pending. Pending why? It is running. So when you go and fetch for details, it is pushing. So let us see how it works. Let us see how it works now. So setting up the job, it is running everything. Set up job, checkout, installation and everything, deploy, verification. It is running everything. Let me see. So we have issues. Actually, we have so many issues here. So this one is a success. Uh-huh. Running test, we have issues there because there are no tests to run. And then trigger deploy. So let us see. Actually, here it is. It has worked. Here it is. It has deployed successfully, but this one is not done yet. So the reason why we used npm test or true, we just wanted to bypass if there are no tests or any tests that are failing. So there are no tests, it is going to pass. Just go to the next one. So imeenda hapa ikarun that trigger. So this trigger is going to trigger this. Let me just show you this trigger. So API that. So because I told you that this one you have not added yet. So where do you put this one? So when you find something like called secrets and everything, where do you put that? So to put that, you just go to that kind of repository that you have, that specific repository. You go to settings. Then on the left panel, you're going to find a certain navigation item. You click there. Don't know why it is lagging today. I think I need to reinstall my OS again. So you come here, you're going to find actions. This way you can be able to configure later on your runners and everything, general rules and everything, um, environments and everything. So you specifically go to secrets and variables. You go specifically to secrets and variables, then you're targeting for actions specifically. So the actions, secrets. So you come here and add new repository secret. So you kuja kuweka new repository secret, then you come and put the name like that, you copy and put it like that, then you put your API key here. Then you come and copy another one, you do the same. That's how you do it, by the way. So let us find that, how to link it. Actually, this was not the one that was running, but you can as well just go here and find that API key. This one is the deployment hook. As you can see, this is the deployment hook, and actually it has things that we need. Services, leave alone that hook. Where is that? Just hold on, I'm trying to find that thing. I have to find render API key. Kona lito. Let's see. Let me see if there are any questions yet. You guys have mmenyamaza sana. Any question? Please, please, please. Ask these questions right now. Si nilikuwa nimeaccess hii page saizi. Account settings. I was there. Dashboard render UI settings. Let me just access it from here. Hamwezi niambia mbona maswali. Anyway, yeah, the API keys. So ilikuwa tu hapa in fact. Nilikuwa naangalia wapi? Anyway, let us have an API key. So you can call this one movie site. So I copy this and I come and put it right here. So unaiweka hapo, then you add. When you add, once umeadd hii kitu huwezi change. Once umeadd, you cannot change it. Now how about the next one? So as you can see, this is exactly what I've been talking about. This is what I've been talking about. So the services. Service ID. So you copy service ID, you come to the secrets again. Put the name there. So let us hunt for this again. Mhm. Niulize watu maswali hapa. Mark Lewis, talk to us. Is this concept passing through your head or inside your head? Okay, nikisema through inapita hapo juu. Shoo. Or inside inaingia. Hello. Okay, unasikiza unajaribu kuelewa which is which. Unafuatilia. Umesema bado hujashikanisha. Good. Good thing that we have recordings. But si ngumu imagine. Do you know this thing you can learn until tomorrow but utashika. But kinitafanya utaelewa it is just when you practice. Push a couple of projects. The reason why I prefer render is that nimetumia railways. Railways, si gari moshi. Nimetumia railways app. Nimeitumia actually. It works well but not efficient. Nimetumia Fly.io. Nimetumia Fly.io. Works but not that really well. Inaitwa railways.com. Exactly. Nimetumia hii. It always inafanya kazi poa but kuna tu vile inaweza kuchanganya na inakuletea vitu zingine mbaya. Haitakusaidia. It's good. You can use railways if you want to. Not at your own risk but it works well. But inafika mahali it cannot scale really well and it is not free. You're normally being given trial credits. Ikiisha, you're done. We have fly.io. This one works well, but same case, not entirely free or not entirely convenient. You see, these things are good. I've tried them, but they settle now, which is good and convenient for learners who are trying to start out. It is Render. Render works really well without any issues. Now I'm trying to get this thing. Render service ID. Yeah, this one change interface yao hata vitu zingine sioni. Where in there? SVR, SRV, I think hii niko nayo. Mbona sijaona? I think I have this. I think I have this. Let me try and fetch it. I really think I have this. Nilikuwa nimeiona somewhere hapa. Projects. If it is starting with the SRV, I think I have it. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Still deploying. I don't know what is deploying. Missiles or what? Missiles, not missiles. Uh, yeah, here it is. This is the key that I was looking at. Survey, this is what I've been looking at. So you copy, come and slap it right here. Good. So let us try this again. I want to change what? Change that name. Commit and then push. Mhm. Commit. Wacha tuone kama italeta issues or what. So go to GitHub. Let us see if that workflow is running. Because as soon as that workflow works well, okay, hii imeshamaliza. Nimesema success actually. Don't know kwenye imetoa success ni wapi. Jamaliza kupush. It is done now. Refresh. Uh-huh. It is still loading. I don't know why. Let me refresh. I said like I have so many issues with my browsers and I think my entire operating system. Lately I've been having issues loading things. Great. So this one actually it has worked. Deployed successfully. So this one worked. This one really worked. Let us see if things are as they seem. Go for the logs. Let us see the timestamp. 12:40. So it is currently deploying. This one has just ran right now. So this one, I'm not the one who has triggered this one. This one has been triggered from the commit. This one has been triggered from the commit 1 minute ago. As you can see, the time 12:40. So which means this deploy was success. This deploy was a success. The only problem that we have, we need this. Okay, it has worked. Let us see. Wow. So the only problem that we are facing actually is what I told you actually. Is what I told you. It is MongoDB. Let us try and solve that. Itabidi tu nimeweka. Okay, good. Why am I hangaika? Well, I can just pull these things from here. Struggling here so much. Where's that project? Where's this project actually? Okay, it's part of movie site. Where's that movie site? It is. I'm looking. Okay, it is not there. I know where to get it, so I can just come and copy this. The problem is we don't have IMDb. So my focus is this. Let us see if it can work. Add these variables. There you go. Save and rebuild. I'm not so sure about this one, but let us just see. Okay, updated and deployed, started. Let us see if it is going to work. 12:42. So no ports have been detected. So it is faring well. So this one was 2 minutes ago. Let us see if this one is going to fare well or we have issues. So as we wait for this one, you guys mmesema hamna swali, which means I'm going to proceed to Vercel, which is the easiest of all. In the next like few minutes, because this recording is going to be depleted. Na pia hapa wamesema error zinigonge tu. So I'm waiting for this one to spin up while I refresh this. Of course. The issue is about this thing, but I don't want to delve on that a lot. Anyway, my concern is about, let's go for this one. Name. So hii nataka ikuwe kwa Vercel. So you can just say front end. Front end deployment. On. On push. Mbona kitu na run hivyo slow? So let me redo this. So front end deployment on push branches. Hii tunaweza type tu zote pamoja, like si lazima we have AI do it for us. So of course tulisema we have paths. So the path that we are talking about here is we're talking about client. Talking about client, or if it is not client, we're talking about .github.com, not .com workflow, specifically client.yml. It is same case as this one too. The same case as this one that you're seeing here. .yml. So we are done. We are done with this. Simple, just a push of a button and you're done with a lot of things. Just waiting for this thing to finish. Ama nihame Ubuntu, yanikula kichwa sana. Anyway, in a load, but okay, we have things here. Okay, kiendelea, let us proceed. Like I told you, for Vercel is very simple because we need like we need two things: the Vercel token, organization ID. Oh, again, we also need the project ID. With that, it is simple. Okay, let me rectify these issues and have AI just process everything for me. Because for this one, like we said, we need the jobs. So the kind of job that you are running here, so you come and say jobs. So the kind of job that you're running here is called deploy. So you can just give that name, check out the code. But even this one is not important. Let us see if this one is going to work or okay, stop this. Um, Complete this that time. Human leaves it. As long as you understand the steps, what needs to be done at what point. So it's exactly what I was talking about. Sort of a repetition. Actually, I would opt to start from I think this point. Like I told you, we have organization ID, token, and project ID. I think those are the things that are normally needed. Then you have to run this one. So remember, this one is normally installed on virtual environment, so you don't need to. And then verification of that. So we are on point, especially. So everything checks out, okay. Uh, Clean installation. You have to run the build. You have to install the Vercel globally in that virtual environment. You have to deploy. So of course, also need these tokens. You also need these tokens. The fact that this one was successful, otherwise we'd have caught a lot of errors. We'd have caught a lot of errors. Catching errors is very easy because these are the steps that I have to run. These are the steps that I have to run before you even get to whatever you want to. Yeah. So I don't know. Let me just push this thing so that I can give you the code base. I'm not going to go through Vercel. Vercel is very easy. This one, as long as to just to give you a perspective for Vercel, as long as you have run build, as long as the run build works, as long as this one works, you can just proceed and say Vercel deploy and it works really well. As long as this one works. This one is not complicated as this one. It's not that complicated. Anyway, let me push everything. This one is not going to work because I've not added this one. This is a hassle. I don't want to go there that point. Since you guys have a recording, and I want this one to jump in the next 1 minute. Commit. So remember, for the front end, it cannot run if you have changed something on the back end. These workflows are specific. You have to specify. Okay, this one is not always the case, but if you want to specify where the changes are made and where it is supposed to be triggered at, this is how you do it. Very simple. Workflows are simple. Don't make a big deal out of it. Don't make a big deal out of it. So as you can see, we have a workflow that has failed. It has failed for a lot of reasons. And one of the major reasons is because we don't have this. I've not done this, that's why it is failing. Otherwise, the same configuration happens, the same way I've done for that one happens. That's simple. Okay, we have an issue here. Port. Okay, it was scanning the port actually. This was an issue on the end of, as you can see, we have 50 requests, 50 seconds or more. So if you want to upgrade, we are using the free instance, so it cannot persist for so long. But it actually worked. If you have no idea, it has actually worked. I'm planning to do a catch-up class on, is it on Wednesday morning, so that I can catch you guys on everything. And as we do our final project, we're going to record that as well. Any question? Any question?